11 Proven Ways to Double Your Pothos Growth This Winter. Pothos plants are a favorite for plant lovers thanks to their easy care and lush, trailing vines. But winter can slow their growth, leaving your greenery sad. Don't worry. With the right tips, you can double your pothos growth, even in the cooler months. Follow this step-by-step guide to keep your pothos thriving all season long. 1. Optimize light conditions. Pothos plants need bright, indirect light to grow quickly, especially in winter. Place your pothos near a sunny window to soak up the daylight without direct sun exposure. Consider using grow lights to keep your plant happy if natural light is limited. Adequate light boosts photosynthesis and ensures steady growth. 2. Keep the temperature consistent. Avoid placing your plant near cold drafts, open windows, or heaters during winter. Exposure to cold drafts or fluctuating temperatures can cause the leaves to yellow or wilt. Sudden temperature changes can stress the plant and stunt growth, limiting its ability to develop new foliage. Maintaining a consistent environment will help your pothos focus its energy on producing healthy, vibrant new leaves. 3. Water carefully. Overwatering is a common mistake, especially during winter when plants use less water. Allow the topsoil to dry before watering again. Stick to room temperature water to avoid shocking the roots. Using a watering schedule or checking the soil regularly will help you find the right balance. Proper watering encourages healthy root development and steady growth without risking common winter issues like fungal infections. 4. Increase humidity. Indoor air tends to be drier in winter, which can slow your pothos growth. Boost humidity by misting the leaves regularly, using a pebble tray filled with water, or running a small humidifier nearby. Higher humidity levels mimic the plant's natural tropical environment, helping it grow lush and vibrant. 5. Use a balanced fertilizer. Feed your pothos a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once a month during winter. Choose one with equal nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, for example, the 10th of October 10. Fertilizing provides plant nutrients to produce healthy new leaves and stronger roots during slower seasons. Fertilizing during the slower season ensures your pothos get the nutrients to produce healthy new leaves and stronger roots. 6. Prune for growth. Pruning encourages your pothos to grow fuller and faster. Trim many yellow or damaged leaves and cut back long, leggy vines just above a leaf node. Pruning promotes bushier growth and redirects the plant's energy to healthier parts of the plant. The cuttings can be propagated to grow new pothos plants, adding even more greenery to your home. 7. Propagate and expand. Take healthy cuttings from your pothos to grow new plants and fill out your pot. Place the cuttings in water or moist soil until roots form. Adding rooted cuttings to your main plant makes it appear fuller and boosts growth. Once rooted, you can add these cuttings to the main pot to boost growth or start a new plant entirely. Propagation is a simple and rewarding way to expand your pothos collection while helping the main plant appear fuller. 8. Repot if necessary. If your pothos is root-bound, its growth may slow down. Check for roots circling the bottom of the pot or growing out of drainage holes. Report your pothos into a slightly larger container with fresh, well-draining soil. A little extra space gives the roots room to grow and helps the plant thrive. Make sure the new pot has drainage holes to prevent water buildup. 9. Clean the leaves. Dust buildup on leaves can block sunlight and hinder photosynthesis, slowing growth. Gently wipe down your pothos leaves with a damp cloth every few weeks. This keeps the plant clean and shiny and allows it to absorb light more effectively, boosting growth over time. Regular leaf cleaning keeps your pothos healthy, attractive, and growing consistently. 10. Rotate the plant regularly. Rotate your pothos every couple of weeks to ensure even light exposure. Without rotation, one side of the plant may grow unevenly while the other remains sparse. Turning your pothos balances the growth, making it look healthier and fuller during winter. Mark a date on your calendar to remind yourself to rotate the pot regularly. 11. Avoid stressing the plant. Stress slows plant growth, so avoid unnecessary changes to your pothos care routine. Keep the light, temperature, and watering schedule consistent. Avoid moving the plant around too much or exposing it to sudden environmental shifts. A stable, stress-free environment allows your pothos to focus on growing new, healthy leaves instead of recovering from environmental disruptions. Helping your pothos thrive in winter. Doubling your pothos growth this winter is possible with the right care and attention to detail. Focus on light, humidity, and temperature while pruning and fertilizing strategically to keep your plant healthy. Maintain a consistent environment, clean the leaves regularly, and provide the right amount of water and nutrients. By meeting your pothos needs during the cooler months, you'll enjoy fuller, healthier vines growing all winter.